Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Monday commissioned the Indian Coast Guard's first indigenously designed and built pollution control vessel, Samudra Pratap, at Goa Shipyard Limited in Vasco, South Goa, marking a major milestone in India's maritime and environmental protection capabilities. The 104.5-meter vessel, constructed by Goa Shipyard Limited, carries more than 60% indigenous content. With a displacement of 4,200 tons, the ship is capable of achieving speeds of over 22 knots and has an endurance of 6,000 nautical miles, significantly enhancing the Coast Guard's operational reach. Samudra Pratap will function as a key platform for enforcing marine pollution control regulations, strengthening maritime law enforcement, conducting search and rescue missions, and safeguarding India's exclusive economic zone. Addressing the commissioning ceremonies, Rajnath Singh linked the induction of the vessel to India's broader maritime vision and highlighted the Coast Guard's growing focus on women's empowerment. He also underlined India's stance that marine resources are a shared heritage of humanity, stressing that shared heritage demands shared responsibility, reinforcing India's emergence as a responsible maritime power. The Indian Coast Guard described the commissioning as a decisive step forward in the country's push for Atmanirbharta in shipbuilding and the expansion of indigenous maritime capabilities. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, Union Defence Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh, and Indian Coast Guard Director General Parmesh Sivamani were present at the commissioning ceremony.